The message for this is don't be stubborn in your ideas and be clear on your real purpose, your real commitment. What do you actually want to accomplish? What's up, vlog? This is a little check-in and update on the Consistency Compounded project. I'm sitting here doing a blog post for the separation of different things in your life and giving your undivided attention to these things and being able to perform in multiple areas of your life. I haven't been performing on the field, hitting specifically, not nearly as good as I would like to. My first thought about this is obviously I'm making YouTube videos and playing baseball as two full-time things in my life right now. So this is a challenge. And I knew this coming into it, and I'm fully aware that it's not supposed to be easy. So now it's just a matter of making an adjustment and figuring out a solution to this current hitting slump I'm in. After writing this blog post, I've realized that I was being a bit stubborn with my approach. So this is kind of the good thing about having written documentation, because I sat down this morning to write this process that I'm going through to solve this problem, and now it's the afternoon and I'm editing the document for the third time before posting it, and I've now found a real solution to the problem. So what I thought I would do was keep the game day vlogs, but adjust the timing of filming and speaking to the camera and separate it a little bit more precisely from actually doing baseball stuff. So I thought, I'm not performing because I'm just jumping back and forth too much or at random times, so I can't separate completely. And when I'm playing, I'm still not ready to play because my mind is still in vlog mode, YouTube mode. But this was assuming I keep the game day vlogs. And so when I'm editing this document for the third time, I've realized that I'm being stubborn with this concept of I must film the game day. I must get a vlog for the game day experience, because what I thought was my commitment to my channel was to film the game days. But the real commitment is to share this experience with people. And there's more than just the game day that falls into the experience. My approach to solving this problem is, instead of filming on the game day, I will film the activities during the week before that game, the behind the scenes for the game days, and give my full attention back to baseball for the game days specifically. I was doing both in the previous weeks, and then I discovered the shorter videos model, and I'm going to continue with that as well. Don't be stubborn in your ideas and be clear on your real purpose, your real commitment. What do you actually want to accomplish? And you can peel that back a few layers deeper than you might expect. And that's what happened with this blog post this morning. But yeah, so don't be stubborn with your ideas. View the challenge from multiple angles, multiple perspectives, and you can definitely come up with a solution. It might be different than what you thought, but if the purpose is still there, you can always adjust. You have to take on new shapes, new approach, new ways of accomplishing the original goal. So that's the plan now. I'm going to give everything I have to the game day, from waking up in the morning until the final out. And I can already feel the performance coming back just from imagining the levels of focus and concentration I can give back to the game for the whole day. And if you're curious about my thought process with this, you can check out the blog post when I upload it. This is definitely a behind the scenes and just another piece of proof, of evidence that consistency compounded works. And it wouldn't have happened if I didn't start these blog posts. So I got video content and writing content. It's good. It's all part of it. It's all part of the plan, all part of the process, all part of the experience.